Hello there. I'm really excited to talk to you about type conversion in Python today. I think it's an essential topic, especially if you are getting into the world of programming, and I'm here to share everything about it in a way that's super easy to understand. Type conversion, or better known as typecasting, is like the backbone of data handling in Python. It's what lets us make sure that different pieces of data we are working with, like integers and strings, can actually talk and play together effectively. Now, Python, as a dynamically typed language, is very particular about allowing and managing these type conversions. Let me walk you through this concept with the finesty of my old college days. First, when Python sees a piece of data in one form, like, say, the string 123, if we want to apply math to that number, Python will do some sneaky magic to convert that string back into an integer because it knows what it sees looks numeralike. This is known as implicit conversion. However, not all conversions are just handed to us so casually. Sometimes we direct the process ourselves, like when we explicitly convert a float to an int using int function because, well, we might need an integer at some point in our code. Okay, so here's the real kicker: Python isn't the only one doing this dance. When we are writing code that might be used in a big enterprise application, making these conversions safe and efficient becomes even more critical. Because what could be more disastrous than a float error in a financial report, right? So, we'll talk about converting between common data types like lists, dictionaries, and tuples, as well as between different numeric types, like converting days to seconds, which is super important for time-related calculations. For reliability's sake, you must handle errors properly during type conversion. Python provides a way to do this through try-except blocks, which can prevent some nasty bugs from creeping into your code. As for performance, Python's dynamic nature can be both a blessing and a curse, affecting how fast our programs run. Frequent conversions can slow us down, especially in CPU-intensive tasks. So, a part of our conversation will naturally lead to how to optimize type conversion to maintain speed, which is a must for any enterprise code. Scalability is next on the table. As our projects grow, our code needs to handle an increasing amount of data and operations without hiccuping, even when doing types of conversions we didn't envisage before. We'll dissect strategies like avoiding unnecessary conversions and leveraging Python's built-in functions effectively. Security also touches on our topic, as often, data from untrustworthy sources might come in with unexpected types. Knowing how to sanitize and manage those inputs through secure type conversions is crucial. I think by the end of our discussion, you'll have a solid grip on how type conversion can make or break your Python journey, especially in an enterprise setting. So, remember to get the best version of this knowledge into your toolkit by visiting neeraj.io, and don't forget to subscribe to TechLab for more insights just like this that could make your tech life a lot sweeter. How about we jump right in and start the fun conversation?